Once upon a time, somewhere on the planet, there was a factory. Hello. Would you believe I'm full of the latest technology with energy-efficient, long-lasting equipment? It's true. Well, obviously that's not enough. It's easy to see that I'm not in good shape. I was built to run for years, but it's getting harder and harder. I've no time to take care of myself. And all this complaining. Mr. Production says there's too much downtime. He always blames it on maintenance. They claim that they're doing everything, working around the clock to fix things. Despite this, we still can't meet deadlines, and the costs are skyrocketing. I cost a fortune to build, and the shares lost 20% just overnight. Whew. No wonder I'm exhausted. Time to get professional help. It was music to my ears when my new coach said, "With my guidance, we'll soon have you back on track." At the beginning, it was really hard work. Whew, that coach had me sweating. I actually enjoyed some of the preventive stuff. And after a while, the results of the workover were measurable. But the best thing was when everyone pulled together to get us all back on track. These days, people are motivated, and they avoid firefighting. Only critical parts are stocked, and production is reliable. It's good to be back on the AAA list. And they all lived sustainably ever after.